Okay, welcome back to A Plane's Built. I know we're not doing much with building a plane, but we're getting there. This is a WEN pedestal stand for a bench grinder. And I used to mount my bench grinder on my benches that I would build, something like this. And this actually happened. I had an airplane in the garage. I had a guy come over and he was grinding something on my grinder, and I had a medium density fiberboard top for my table in the garage, work table, and it was mounted to it, and he was grinding. And I don't know why, but I went out at about 3 o'clock in the morning. I think the lights were left on or something. I went out about 3 o'clock in the morning to turn the lights off, and I smelled smoke. And I went into the garage, and about a section about this big underneath the grinder had smoldered and burnt. Not burnt, but just smoldered away, and was just going away, and was just, I don't know why it didn't catch on fire. But I had an airplane in the garage, and that I was working on, and the whole garage could have burnt down just because of that. Luckily I found it, put it out, and everything was fine. But I've decided that down here in my house, I am not in the basement here. I'm not going to mount that to a burnable surface. So I bought this, and we'll unbox it. And I've never seen it. It's from WEN. I don't know who I bought it from. Actually, probably Amazon or something. I don't know. But we'll unbox it, and we'll see. We'll see what it looks like. It was fairly cheap. I know it's like $39, I believe. I'm not sure exactly how much it was, but it's fairly thin. That's really thin casting. I mean, super thin, the water tray. I mean, it doesn't weigh, it probably doesn't weigh 5 ounces. And this is, I guess, the instruction book, which instructions are just another man's opinion. So we won't worry about that. The base for the grinder, multiple mounting surfaces for different grinders. This looks fairly good. At least it won't burn. I like that. This is for the base. Fairly nice. Good paint on it. The legs, fairly nice. Now what I might do, I'm going to build a I've got that's probably all of it, actually. I don't think there's anything else in this box except for styrofoam. Yeah, that was it. That was the unboxing, except for the couple screws here. Not much in there. So that's the unboxing. It's a WEN model number 4288. And it a lot of things are, WEN's making a lot of stuff. I've actually, the drill press that I ordered is from WEN. And I'm not sure who I ordered this from. I think I just found it online. Don't even know, I don't even remember. I've got so much stuff to unbox. But that's the picture of it right there. Fairly nice. So I'll get this, and maybe we'll just do an assembly video too real quick, since it's going to be so easy to assemble. It's pretty straightforward, I would assume. They even give you the Allen wrench. That's nice. And now what I have to do is figure out how I'm going to lay all this out. I've got a lot of aluminum. There's a wing skin right there. There's a belly skin of an airplane that was wrecked that I fixed. There's my foam generator to make aircrete. So I've got to figure out how I'm going to lay out this basement to utilize all of my tools, because I do also have a 16-foot by 6-foot CNC router that's going to be built and put somewhere. So I'm not sure where it's going either. So, but as soon as I get going building airplane parts, It's going to be pretty cool. I can't wait. It's been a long time. It's been about a 5-year project for me to get this going. So I do a lot of live stuff too. So we'll just put this here for now. Just barely bolt it in. There we go. Now I wonder what this is for. Wonder what that does. Never seen something like that. Maybe I'll have to see what this man's opinion is about that, what that is. Don't know. All right, we'll put this up here like that. Pretty straightforward assembly here. Let's see. Maybe put it like that. And just snug these up for now. But I think what I might do now, since this is so cheap, is I might buy another one, because I've got my computer, I've got 3 monitors, and I actually want to have a stand, but that's probably not long enough. I've got 3 monitors set up for my, they're actually TVs, 32-inch TVs. So I want to put them on my kitchen table now. So I want to get them off my kitchen table and actually build a stand out of, I was going to use pipe. So we'll have to see, I'll have to see what exactly works the best. But I'm thinking pipe. So I can thread them different lengths and have all 3 of them. What is this for? There's no holes I see for this whatsoever. Huh. Man, don't tell me I've got to open the instructions up. It's never good. It's almost like it's a hook for something. No holes up there. Huh. Maybe I shouldn't put it on and make y'all guess and put it in the comments what it is whenever I get more than 5 subscribers. Alright, let's see what this is. Now I know what that is. That's bolts to bolt everything. But what is that? Something to make you open the instructions. That's what it is. Alright, there it is right there. There's the hole. Ho 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 ho. Huh. It also means that I have a 50-50 shot at putting this thing on here. And of course, it's wrong. Because, I don't know, wait a minute. Yeah, okay, I'll do that. We'll spin this around like that. Alright. And we'll snug this up. And then this little doodad, I guess, screws up into here for some unknown reason. What this is for. What I do need is my Phillips head. Okay, so we will put this up here. Whatever that's for. Okay, there you go. That is my grinder stand, and I'll bring my grinder in later, and we'll put it on there. I need to straighten that up. And like I told you, if you watched my assembly video for the bandsaw, I put the screws in. See, I told you I would do it, and I did it. But I had to loosen up everything to do it. Loosen the bandsaw, move it over. So okay, so this unboxing is now done. And we're gonna put the screws in here so we don't lose them. And the wrench and the instructions right there. And that takes care of this unboxing. So I will see you on the next one. We're getting ready to do another one as soon as I get that cleaned up. So all right, see you on the next one.